In this video, I will be disassembling this 2016 Nissan Murano LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. Before I can remove the lens, I need to remove the T15 Torx screws around the rear of the headlight. I've removed 8 T15 Torx screws. I will now cut off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the main bezel along with the upper LEDs are connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I'm going to remove the screws and pull the LEDs off of the lens now. The upper LED unit is simply these two outer corner LEDs. Next, I'm going to remove the Phillips head screws holding on the lower LED unit. There is one wire harness connector holding the LED unit in place. Next, I'm going to remove the turn signal reflector. Next, I will remove the LED ballast. There's one wire harness connector. With that unclipped, there are two Phillips head screws. Next, from the rear of the light, I need to loosen both of these headlight adjusters. I'm going to first use a flathead screwdriver and pop off this cover. I will use a 5/16 inch socket to turn both of these adjusters all the way to the left. With both adjusters fully loosened, I now need to loosen this bottom outside corner projector mount. At this point, the projector and reflector can be pulled forward. Now I need to go to the rear of the light and remove this Phillips head screw holding on the main wire harness connector. Back on the inside of the light, I need to disconnect the wire harness from the projector. Now I can simply push the wire harness through the housing. The wire harness is now free. The headlight housing is now empty. Next, I'm going to remove all the Phillips head screws on the rear of this mount. Next, I need to disconnect both of the wire harness connectors. 2 Phillips head screws holding the reflector over the LED unit. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding the reflector over the high beam LED unit. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding the LED units to the upper reflectors. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here is the daytime running light lower LED units. Here's the upper daytime running light LED unit. Here's the low beam LED unit. Here is the high beam LED unit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.